Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We're going to start with grade 1 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 1 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter place values and the lessons are write numbers as tens and ones up to 20, place values models up to 20. Then we'll start the new chapter time. The lesson is read a calendar and months of the year. So let's just start with the first lesson that is from the chapter place values. So here I'm on grade 1 maths. Let's just start with the chapter place values. Here is the chapter place values. And I'm going to start with the lesson write numbers and write numbers as tens and ones up to 20. So let's just start with the lesson. So let's start with the first example. Type the missing number 110. So how do we write 110? 110 means you have 1 at the tens position and you're not given with a ones digit. That means you have a 0 at the ones place. Got it? So 1 tens mean that would be a 10. Got it? Okay, the next, let's just move on to next example. Okay, the next one is 110 and 111, 1. Got it? So basically 110 means you have 1 at the tens position. The 110 means you have 1 at the tens position and 1 means you have 1 at the ones position. Basically these the word 10 and 1 tells you the position of these numbers. Got it? So it would be 11 when you write 1 as tens and 1 at ones place. So together it makes 11. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Okay, you are given 110. Type the missing number 110. Got it? You are just given the digit that is at the tens position and you're not given with the one that is at the ones position. Got it? When you are not given the digit that is at the ones position, that means it must be 0. Got it? So 110 mean it is just a 10. Got it? Hi, yes, you can ask question. I can see your messages. Just write down the question. So 110 mean that would be a 10. Okay, the next one is 110 and 9 ones. Let me just write it down on board. 110 and 9 ones. I'm talking about these ones and 10. That they are written in the numbers with the in the words. Got it? They tells you the position of these numbers. Got it? That means the 9 is at the ones position and 1 is at the tens position. So when you write them down together, they makes 19. Got it? That means the digit is 19. So just select the correct option and click on the okay button. Okay, the next one is 110. 110 and 8 ones. So which is the correct option? Now you have the digit that is at the ones position is 8 and the one that is at the tens position is 1. So what number they make together they makes 110 and 8 ones. Got it? So that means the digit that is at the ones position is 8. So it makes 18. Got it? The digit they makes is 18. Got it? Yes, that would be 18. So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, 1, 10 and 4 ones. So which is the correct option? 1, 10 and 4 ones. So which digit it makes? 4 is at the ones place and 1 is at the tens place. So which digit they makes? 1, 10 and 4 ones. So the digit is 14. Got it? That means the number that is at the ones position is 4. So it would be 14. Okay, the next one is 1, 10 and 7 ones. Very good. 1, 10, 7 ones. Got it? That means the digit that is at the ones place is 7 and the one that is at the tens place is 1. So together they makes the digit 17. Got it? So the correct option is 17. Okay, the next one is 1, 10 and 3 ones. So which is the correct option? One, 10 and 3 ones. So which digit it makes 13 or 31? The correct option is 13. Got it? 3 is at the ones position. So the digit that is at the rightmost digit is the ones. So it would be 13. Got it? The correct option is 13. Okay, type the missing number 110. So which is the correct option? Option 1 or option 2? It would be you are not given with a digit that is at the ones position. Got it? That means the digit that is at the ones position must be 0. So 110 makes option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? Okay, the next one is 1, 10 and 9 ones. So which is the correct option? The digit that is at the ones position is 9. Got it? 1, 10 and 9 ones. Got it? So the digit that is at the ones position is 9. Got it? So to get together they make 19. Got it? So the digit is 19. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. Okay, the next lesson is place value models up to 20. Okay, we are going to see the place value models up to 20. Let's start with the first example. Which number is shown? Count the tens. Basically, when we are working on the tables, let me just explain column row and column concept. Got it? Just listen to me carefully. When we are working on the tables, got it? Tables are the one that has the rows and the columns. Got it? One, two, three. These are the three columns. Column one, column two, column three. Got it? These are the three columns. Like in length, they are the columns. When you divide them in width also. Got it? They are the rows. Got it? So that means the vertical ones are in the row. You have here we have two rows and three columns. Got it? So the vertical ones are the row and the horizontal one, they are the vertical one. So they are the rows. Got it? And they are the horizontal one. So they makes the columns. Got it? Okay, so when you are given the place value model, the numbers that are given, the blocks that are given like this, like horizontal, they are the tens, and the one that are like this or vertical, they are the ones. So when you count these blocks, they represents the digit that is at the tens position, and when you count them, the one, they represents a digit that is at the ones position. Got it? Okay. Just look at this first model now. You have to count this one, the horizontal one, they represents the 10. When you count them, there is the total 10 blocks they are have. That means the digit that is at the tens position is 1. Now you can count the blocks that are in the horizontal position. So they are 5. Got it? So 1, 10, and 5 ones makes 15. Got it? Okay. Now you are given just the blocks in the ones, like ones position. So just count them: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here are 9 blocks. So that means that is the 9 ones. Got it? Horizontal one represents the tens. This one is horizontal. This represents the tens value, and this one represents the ones value. Got it? It would be, I think, 10, and it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9. So it would be ones digit at the tens position, 9 at the one. So together they make 19. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay. Which number is shown? So which is the correct option? 12, 14, 11, and 8. You have to count the blocks that are in the horizontal position, and then you have to count the one that are at. These are the one that are at the tens position. They are 10. Got it? And these are just 2. So you have 10 tens and 1 ones. Got it? Sorry, 2 ones. So together they make 2 at the ones position and 1 at the tens position. So it makes 12. So the correct option is 12. Got it? So the correct option is 12. No one is answering why. The next one is which number is shown. So which is the correct option? 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 4, and 7. Which is the correct option? It would be 5. Got it? You have just 5 blocks in the horizontal position. So that means that is the digit that is at the ones position. So it would be just a 5. Got it? Okay, what number is shown? Which is the correct option? So which is the correct option? You have 9 blocks in the horizontal position and 10 in the vertical. So together they makes the digit 19. Yes, very good. That would be 19. The correct option is 19. Very good. Okay, the next one is what number is shown. So, which is the correct option? You are not given any vertical, any square in the vertical position. You are just given with the horizontal one. Foma, how is it 91? 9 is at the ones position and 1 is at the tens position. It would be 19. Where is 18? Which question you are answering? You don't have any digit at the tens position. You just have the ones digit. It would be just 8. I don't know which question you guys answering. What number is shown? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have just 6 blocks. So it would be 6. The correct option is 6. Okay, what number is shown? You have 4 squares. Got it in the horizontal. So it would be 4. Got it? What number is shown? Which is the correct option? It would be 3. The correct option is 3. What number is shown? Yes, that would be 10. Got it? Which is the correct option? 30, 20, 18, 21. Yes, it would be 20. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. Okay, we are done with the chapter. We're going to start the new chapter, that is time. We're done with the chapter place values. You have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. Let's just start with the next lesson, that is time. Okay, let's just start with the first lesson, that is read a calendar. So we're going to learn how do we read a calendar. Got it? So just look at the first example. What month does the calendar show? Basically, this is a page from a calendar. You need to see, you are going to learn how do we read the calendar. Got it? So look at the top. What month does the calendar? What month does the calendar show? You need to see the calendar shows what month. So you have to look at the top line of the calendar. So what is written on the top line? October. Got it? The top line shows the month. That means the calendar shows October. So that the page is from the October. Got it? Okay, the next one is what what month does the calendar show? So which month is represented by the calendar? Just look at the top line of the calendar. It would be January. Got it? You can see the top line here, the name of the month is mentioned. So that calendar is from the January. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, on what day of the week is the seventh day of the month? So seventh day of the month. Got it? Just go to the seven. Here you have 7 month, seven. Got it? You need to see the day. So just look at the above, look at top of this line. Here you have Friday. Got it? That means on the seventh day of the month, the seventh day would be Friday. Got it? The seventh day would be Friday. So the correct option is Friday. Today is April 20. What day of the week is tomorrow? So go to the April 20. Here you have April 20. Got it? You need to see what day is tomorrow. So the tomorrow you have Sunday. Got it? Tomorrow you have 21 April and the day on 21st April is Sunday. Got it? Right. Next day of the 20 is 21 and it would be Sunday. Got it? The correct option is Sunday. Okay. What month does the calendar show? It would be the January. Got it? You can have to look at the name of the month so you can see the top line. It would be January. Got it? The correct option is January. Okay, how many days are there in September? You have to count the days. How many days do we have in September? How many days? 30 days. Got it? You can see here from 1 to 30. That means September has 30 days. Got it? Okay, on what month of the week does the month end? So just look at the last day or date of the month. It would be 30. And what day on 30 it is? Just look at the top line of 30. It would be Monday. That means the last day of the month would be on Monday. Got it? 30th November would be on 30th November. The day is Monday. Okay, the next one is on what day of the week does the month begin? So you need to see on first day of the month, the day, which day of the week it is. Got it? So just look at the first. Here you have the 1st of the June and the day on the 1st of the June is Saturday. Got it? So that means the correct option is Saturday. If today is July 10, what day of the week it is? Here you have July 10. Here is the 10th. Just look at the day. So it would be Sunday. Got it? That means on July 10 it would be Sunday. What what month does the calendar show? It would be October. Got it? The calendar is for the month October. You can see the top of the calendar. Here you can see the name of the month. Okay, on what day of the week is the ninth day of the month? So just look at the ninth of the month. Got it? Go to the ninth. Here you have ninth. What day is it? It would be Thursday. Got it? It would be May ninth. On ninth, it would be Thursday. You have to look for the day. So on ninth, it would be Thursday. Got it? Okay, how many Mondays are there in March? You have to calculate how many times you have Monday in March. So just calculate the dates in front of Monday. You have one, two, three, four. That means in March you have 4 Mondays. Got it? It is 4 Mondays. Got it? So the correct option is four. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is months of the year. We're going to learn the months of the year. Got it? So here is a table given. January is the first month. Then you have February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, and November. You have 12 months in a year. Which month comes just after August? So just look at the. So right after August, you have the September. Got it? That means the month that comes right after August is September. Got it? Let's just start with the practice questions. Which month comes right after October? So which one it is? After October, it would be November. Got it? Right after October, you have November. Which month comes just after November? So which is the month right after November? Yes, right after November, it would be December. Got it? Which month comes just after August? So which is the correct option? Right after August, it would be September. Got it? which month comes right after September? So which is right after September? Right after September, it would be October. Got it? Okay, which month comes right after May? So right after May, it would be so right after May, it would be June. Got it? Which month comes just after December? It would be January. Got it? Right after December, it would be January. Okay. Which month comes right after June? It would be July right after June. Got it? Which month comes after March? It would be April. Which month comes right after, just after January? It would be February. Got it? Right after January, the next month is February. Which month comes right after April? It would be May. Got it? Okay, which month comes right after July? Right after July, it would be August. Which month comes right after February? It would be March. Which month comes just after October? It would be November. Got it? Which month comes just after November? It would be December. Got it? It would be June. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So we were on grade 1 maths and the lessons we have covered are write numbers as tens and ones up to 20, place value model up to 20. Then we read the new chapter time. The lessons are reader, calendar, and month of the year. Got it? Please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? That's all for today. See you in the next session. Okay, that's all for today. Bye, everyone.